I read that you're using blockchain technology to help you enable this. For people who don't understand blockchain, I mean, are you able to explain it in a simple way and how you're using that technology to make this happen?
So just to clarify, I started the idea with blockchain for
Right.
philanthropy. I studied at Oxford and I put my paper out, which was on blockchain for philanthropy. In terms of execution, I realized that blockchain is still a evolving technology itself, and it requires a massive network for it to really work and for the investment to be worthwhile. And so we have built the architecture of the technology that we have built is still built on a central system, but we are able to put it on a blockchain because of the way we've designed it, and make it accessible and decentralized to everyone as soon as we are ready. What I would say for people who don't know anything about blockchain is it's just a word. The idea is that if I am Darshita Gillis, and I am born in India, and I'm a British citizen, and this identity of me is required by a bank and required by to open a bank account, is required by a business to employ me, is required by a utilities company to give access to utilities to my apartment. So this is one set of data that we know is common and required. The way we are engaging right now is this data I have and I give here and I give there and I give there. If there was a way in which I could have the data here and I could say, if anyone wants my ID data for banking, they can just go here. And this is a single point of truth about that data. As I get a new passport, it gets updated. This point, then it minimizes cost of coordination and validation for the whole network. It means that a bank doesn't need to use a third-party provider to check if this is the right person. It doesn't require someone in a bank to go through a verification process and employ a whole lot of machinery to check that I'm a valid person. So in a nutshell, it's really a data point that can be accessed by multiple parties who agree that that is the reference point for that data and that is true.